Say goodbye to boring lunches as the latest vendors have landed at Trinity Kitchen and you're absolutely spoilt for choice. Up first was Big Mouth Gyoza, where I tried their pork gyoza curry fries. Their menu is full of delicious dishes made with Yorkshire pork belly or mushroom. Little Red Truck are back with their tasty burgers and chicken. I went for the barbecue strips and fries and the blue cheeseburger, but there is a flavour for everyone on this menu. Then it was on to Shannon. Just look at how crispy this chicken bao is, and we had to give their satay chicken a try too, a Thai classic. Next, I tried the Blonde Reaper from the Venezuelan street food vendor 7 Star Flag. Their bread is all homemade and the choice of fillings is endless. Last but certainly not least, I tried Yorkshire Cheese Grill, who make the most delicious cheese toasties you'll ever try. I went for their chili naan, and if you're a cheese fan, you have to give this a try.